Some drones look impressive in photos, but only a few actually deliver smooth flight, stable video, and reliable features in real-world use. Please watch this video till the end, because today I'm revealing the top 5 best drones on AliExpress, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which drone is the best overall choice for your money. Whether you're buying your first drone, looking for aerial photography, GPS flight stability, or just the best value drone with a screen controller, this video is carefully researched to help you make the right decision, without confusion or hype. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. SG-109 PRO MAX Mini. The SG-109 PRO MAX is a compact GPS drone designed for beginners who want stable flight and FPV features without spending too much money. It comes with a 4K HD camera, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, and a large screen remote controller for easy viewing. GPS positioning enables functions like auto return to home, follow mode, and safer outdoor flying, making it beginner-friendly. Review highlights. This drone performs well for casual aerial shots and learning GPS-assisted flight. It's lightweight, portable, and easy to control, especially for first-time drone users. Pros: GPS-assisted stable flight, large screen remote controller, portable and beginner-friendly design, good value entry-level drone. Number 4. V168 MAX GPS. The V168 MAX is a step up with dual cameras, 8K advertised resolution, and omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. It's designed for users who want smoother flight and better positioning accuracy. With 5G GPS, intelligent flight modes, and foldable arms, it's suitable for outdoor use and travel. Review highlights. Flight stability is solid for the price, and obstacle avoidance helps reduce crashes. While it's not a true professional drone, it offers impressive features for casual aerial photography. Pros: GPS positioning with return to home, dual camera setup, obstacle avoidance support, foldable, travel-friendly design. Number 3. K19 MAX GPS. The K19 MAX focuses on ease of use and control, featuring a screen-equipped remote, GPS flight, and brushless motors for smoother performance. It also supports aerial photography modes and stable hovering, making it a good balance between fun flying and usability. Review highlights. This drone is reliable for beginners and hobby users who want a screen controller without needing a phone. It's stable, easy to learn, and enjoyable for outdoor flights. Pros: screen remote included, GPS-assisted smart flight modes, brushless motors for smoother flight, beginner-friendly controls. Number 2. S159 Professional GPS. The S159 is designed for users who want stronger performance and advanced features. It includes dual cameras, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, and a screen controller. Its brushless motors provide improved stability, longer lifespan, and better wind resistance. Review highlights. This drone delivers confident flight control and reliable GPS performance. Obstacle avoidance works well for its category, making it suitable for users stepping up from beginner drones. Pros: 360-degree obstacle avoidance, dual camera system, GPS return and intelligent flight modes, brushless motors for stable flying. Number 1. L600 PRO MAX. The L600 PRO MAX is the most advanced drone on this list. It features an 8K camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, GPS positioning, and obstacle avoidance, paired with a large screen controller. This drone is built for users who want the closest experience to a professional aerial platform at a budget-friendly price. Review highlights. Flight stability, camera smoothness, and overall control are noticeably better than the others. The 3-axis gimbal makes a big difference in video quality, especially during movement. Pros: 3-axis gimbal for stable video, GPS-assisted intelligent flight modes, obstacle avoidance system, best overall feature set on this list. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing flight stability, camera performance, smart features, and overall value, the L600 PRO MAX Drone is the best overall drone on AliExpress for 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.